what's going on, guys? So today we are going to my buddy Roland's place to check out his Hellcat. Makes about 850 horsepower, he says. Should be a fun car. I've always wanted one. I love these cars. But I want to introduce you to my wife. This is my wife, Jasmine, my little Latina queen here.
Shut up.
She's going to be going along with us. So
yeah, I'm supposed to be doing schoolwork.
yeah, she's supposed to be doing schoolwork, but we're doing important things. Like
I decided to do hood rat stuff with my friends.
Yeah, we're gonna do hood rat stuff today with our friend Roland and his Hellcat. So it should be a good time. Hopefully we get some good footage, and we'll go from there. All right, what's up, guys? So today we got a 2016 Charger Hellcat. This is my buddy Roland. It's his car, and I'll let him talk to you about it and tell me what's done to it and whatever else you want to add.
It's 16 Hellcat, like it says, upper pulley only on the 85, and intake, that's about all it does. What it needs. It's gone at the best of 10, 16 at 138 miles an hour and a quarter mile. Full interior on just 17-inch radios. That's about it. That's about all the car has.
What kind of power does it make?
Never put in a dyno. It makes maybe about 800, 850 depending on the day. Cooler weather probably make closer to 850 at the wheels.
Yeah, not today because it's like what, 95?
Just 95.
Yeah.
95 with 85% humidity.
Yeah.
Doesn't make good power.
No, so we're gonna hopefully run this thing today and keep the blower nice and cool and happy, but we'll see what happens.
You didn't let me do the sign of the cross.
I had
Godspeed.
I thought it was gonna spin a little bit, but it didn't.
That's my ass back here. I'm your traction on your right side.
It might
We
be,
both are.
but rubbing a little bit. Try to do it first. I don't know if it's gonna hook.
First gear, so you're gonna hook from first. Oh, real hop.
That wasn't too bad.
No,
That wasn't not too bad.
actually hooked like a little bit.
It
You know,
just
it's
kinda-
kind of hopped a little bit.
Oh, I'm surprised.
All right, so what's the SRT button do?
It lets you change modes, track mode, sport mode, custom, which is the way I race it, and then default, which is just everything's nice and cushy.
Nice. So where's the street intersection takeover mode?
That's only for 392 owners. Most Hellcat don't have that.
Okay, or the RTs and stuff.
RTs, yeah, with the big wings in the back and the camouflage wraps.
Yeah, and the yellow splitter guards.
The yellow splitter guards.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
That's mandatory.
I like how yours. I guess they fell off, right? That's pretty.
No, I took them off.
Oh, you took them off.
Yeah, I took them off. Yeah.
What? How dare you?
Yeah, you know.
You're a disgrace to the Mopar community, bro.
I am. It's all good. I'm okay with it.
You're gonna try and dig. Alright, here we go. I don't think it's gonna hook.
No, I don't think so either.
So you're gonna get rid of this blower coolant reservoir here. You're gonna go with an ice tank now.
Yeah, it's gonna be a rear-mounted ice tank. It's gonna be in the trunk, and once I get that plumbed up, hopefully within the next week, and it's gonna be gone, and it's just gonna be ice that I can cool the blower down with.
Nice. And I didn't know this, but he said that he, for the most part, daily drives this thing. So that's pretty cool. At least it doesn't sit in the garage.
Daily drive on the 85.
Yep. And there it is, a 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat on E85, pulley down. Aluminum drive shaft he just put on yesterday, he said. And he said his best mile per gallon he's gotten was 24 miles per gallon on E85. That's nuts. Makes about 800 to 850. Really cool car. I'm impressed.